In fact, I think it's likely that 2025 will be considered one of the most crucial years in Tesla's history. Things are set to escalate dramatically next year, with even more intense developments expected in 2027 and 2028. We'll be launching several exciting new products throughout 2025. There have been many investments we've made and will continue making in the coming year, investments that will pave the way for the next phase of growth. This isn't just about Earth, it's about something extraordinary. We're laying the groundwork for an incredible future. Elon Musk stated that 2025 would be the most pivotal year in Tesla's history. But what groundbreaking products or investments will form this new foundation? What if we told you that Tesla's next major breakthrough isn't about Optimus, batteries, or AI, but something much more fundamental: the motor itself? Tesla's latest advancements in engineering show that they are not just refining old technology, but entirely reinventing it. So what's hidden in this new two-carbon-wrapped motor that Tesla is investing in? What benefits do we gain when the first generation has already set a groundbreaking performance record? Let's break down the 7 shocking features of Tesla's carbon-wrapped motor 2. Firstly, how did Tesla push the carbon-wrapped motor 2 to a record-breaking 2,3,5,0,0 revolutions per minute? To give you some perspective, the current Model S Plaid motor has a maximum speed of 1,900 revolutions per minute, which already makes it one of the fastest spinning motors in any production EV. But now, with version 2, the Model S Plaid's motor will achieve an insane 2,3,5,0,0 revolutions per minute, a 24% increase. Significant advancements in efficiency, cooling, and materials were necessary to reach this level of performance. The biggest challenge with increasing revolutions per minute is maintaining structural integrity at such extreme speeds. The centrifugal forces are enormous, which can cause the motor's rotor to break apart. The first generation of the carbon-wrapped motor used a simple rolled carbon fiber sleeve, but at extreme speeds, this design lost strength. Now, Tesla uses a multi-layer 3D woven carbon fiber wrap that is 35% stronger and can handle higher speeds without breaking apart. This is why the new motor can spin faster without exploding under stress. But simply enhancing strength isn't enough. As the rotor spins faster, more heat and energy are lost. In traditional motors, a steel rotor core creates eddy currents, which waste energy by converting some of the electrical input into excess heat. To solve this, Tesla completely redesigned the rotor, using a cobalt iron superalloy. This material has a higher magnetic saturation than steel, making the motor 18% cooler and allowing it to spin faster without needing an oversized cooling system. Thanks to this, more of the battery's energy is used for speed and power rather than being wasted as heat. Another key factor is reducing electrical resistance inside the motor, which hinders the flow of electricity and generates heat. Tesla uses 99.99% pure copper coils in the state motor, which are 10% less resistant compared to the coils in the current Model S Plaid's motor, resulting in a 5% increase in efficiency. This improvement is incredibly beneficial to EV users, as we will discuss later in the video. Of course, with faster spinning, cooling becomes a critical factor. The first-generation motor relied primarily on water cooling, which worked well but had its limitations. Now, Tesla has introduced a next-generation oil cooling system which circulates oil directly around the motor's hottest components. The oil absorbs and transfers heat much more efficiently than water, and with this system, the motor stays at a stable 82 DEC even under extreme performance conditions. This ensures consistent power output without overheating, which is a game changer for both high-speed performance and long-term reliability. If this new motor technology comes to the new Model Y, would you consider buying one? Comment 1 for yes and 2 for no. Now, we want to take a moment to thank you for your support of Autofusion. Our channel has hit a milestone of 107,000 subscribers. Your contribution is an immense motivation for our team. We're striving to build a stronger community on our channel, aiming for our next 110,111 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and we'll continue providing in-depth reviews and discussions on upcoming innovations from Tesla. Moving on, Tesla's carbon-wrapped Motor 2 is also the most energy-efficient motor Tesla has ever made. Normally, when a motor spins faster and generates more power, it also wastes more energy as heat. However, Tesla has redesigned this motor to consume less power while delivering more performance. This means longer ranges, lower energy consumption, and a more efficient drive, all without the need for a larger battery. In addition to the upgrade to 99.99% pure copper coils, as mentioned earlier, Tesla has also optimized the magnetic pathways in a typical electric motor. Not all magnetic energy generated is effectively transferred into rotation. Some of it gets lost due to inefficient magnetic field design, creating stray losses that lower efficiency. Tesla has now redesigned the magnetic field geometry, fine-tuning how the magnetic forces interact inside the motor. This ensures that more of the energy is directed exactly where it's needed, reducing waste and making the motor significantly more efficient. So what does this mean for us? The motor wastes up to 12% less energy as heat, meaning your vehicle will get a higher range per charge with this motor. Tesla's new 2025 Model Y could achieve up to 500 miles of range without increasing battery size. That's a game-changing improvement, making Tesla's vehicles not only more powerful, but also more practical for long-distance travel. Would you prefer an EV with 500 miles of range without a larger battery? Or is 350 miles enough for you? Drop a comment and share your thoughts below. Next, how does Tesla's upgraded cooling system prevent overheating at high speeds? When a motor spins as fast as 235,000 revolutions per minute, it generates a lot of heat. Too much heat can cause the motor to lose power, waste energy, or even wear out faster. But Tesla has completely redesigned the cooling system to keep this high-speed motor running at its best, no matter how hard it's pushed. The first change is in the oil cooling system. As we mentioned earlier, the cooling system previously pulled heat away from the motor from the outside, but now oil is pumped directly to the hottest parts, the rotor and stator. This pulls heat away at the source, making cooling 30% more efficient so the motor stays at a safe temperature even at extreme speeds. Tesla also upgraded the heat exchanger, the component that removes heat from the cooling system. The new version of the 2 motor is made with graphene-infused materials, which transfer heat much faster than regular metals. This means heat is carried away more quickly, preventing any buildup that could slow the motor down. Another key upgrade is better liquid cooling pathways. Tesla improved how coolant moves through the motor, increasing the flow rate and eliminating overheated areas. Additionally, the airflow around the motor is redesigned with special aerodynamic ducting, allowing heat to escape 50% faster. Even after long, high-speed drives, the motor won't overheat. Thanks to these advancements, the new Model Y's motor operates at a peak temperature that is up to 25 dEC lower than the previous generation, with higher reliability. Now let's dive into why Tesla's next 2 motor is both lighter and more powerful. Tesla's new carbon-wrapped Motor 2 is lighter and more powerful, giving you more speed, more efficiency, and a better driving experience. Normally, making a motor more powerful means making it bigger and heavier, but Tesla has made a breakthrough by increasing horsepower while making the motor lighter. It's all due to the cobalt iron superalloy in the rotor, which is 15% lighter but much stronger, allowing it to achieve an insane 235,000 revolutions per minute. A lighter rotor also means faster acceleration and smoother power delivery. When you press the pedal, the car responds instantly. Tesla also redesigned the motor casing, switching from heavy steel to high-strength aluminum. This change alone reduces the motor's weight by over 9 kg, making the whole car lighter while maintaining its size. Although the 2 motors roughly the same size as the old one, it now produces 1,150 horsepower, 130 more horsepower than the current Model S Plaid's 1,020 horsepower. With a lighter car, it will accelerate faster. For Model S Plaid owners, this could push 0 to 60 mph times below 1.9 seconds. For Model Y owners, the time will be reduced to just 3.1 seconds in performance trim and around 4.4 seconds in long-range AWD trim. So, what would you prefer? Lighter weight or improved power? Share your thoughts in the comments. How did Tesla engineer this motor to be more durable than any gas engine? Tesla's carbon-wrapped Motor 2 is incredibly durable, lasting over 1 million miles, outlasting any gas engine. While gas engines wear down from constant explosions, Tesla's motor doesn't have fast-wearing parts like carbon brushes or pistons. This means no oil changes, no timing belts, and no stress fractures from combustion. A major innovation is the self-tightening carbon wrap. Over the years, high-speed motors generate microscopic deformations that reduce performance. Tesla solved this problem by engineering a carbon fiber sleeve that tightens around the rotor as it spins, keeping the motor's structure solid and stable for years. The company also uses a self-lubricating bearing system, reducing friction by 40%. Additionally, AI-powered wear detection actively adjusts motor function, preventing early failures and extending lifespan. With less engine wear, your car will depreciate less and retain a higher resale value. Tesla vehicles hold their value far better than gas cars, which start breaking down after around 500,000 miles. For example, a 5-year-old Model Y retains approximately 43% of its original value, compared to a BMW X5, which typically retains around 45%. Let's also consider maintenance costs. The average gas car owner spends about $1,200 per year on maintenance and repairs, but with Tesla's new 2 motor, as in the new Model Y, it drops to about $500 per year, saving owners over $5,000 in 10 years. How much does the lower maintenance cost mean to you? More reliability or better usage? Please share with us. Finally, how does this 2-motor reduce magnetic drag and protect battery life? What is magnetic drag? Imagine pedaling a bike with the brakes slightly engaged. That's similar to what happens inside a motor when magnetic fields aren't perfectly aligned. Powerful magnets inside the motor push and pull to make it spin, but if the design isn't perfect, some of those magnetic forces work against the rotation instead of helping it. This means the motor uses more energy than necessary, reducing efficiency and draining the battery faster. Tesla addressed this problem with 3 major improvements. First, they added advanced electromagnetic shielding, reducing wasted energy by 18%, so more power actually goes into moving the car. Second, they redesigned the motor's magnetic field to make energy flow smoother. Third, the motor now delivers power more smoothly, avoiding sudden bursts that stress the battery. This results in a longer-landing battery. Normally, Tesla batteries lose about 5% of their capacity every 100,000 miles, but with this new motor, that number drops to just 3.5%. This means, instead of lasting around 450,000 miles, your battery could last up to 600,000 miles before it even reaches 80% capacity. We've just uncovered 7 groundbreaking features of Tesla's 2 carbon-wrapped motor, transforming the motor and fundamentally changing how we experience driving. What are your thoughts? Do you believe these features will truly revolutionize the electric vehicle industry? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting, in-depth reviews. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Like and share this video with your fellow Tesla enthusiasts.